What's up, everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Alexandra, and you guys, I am so pumped right now, so excited. You all know that have been here, I have been dying for Jeffree Star to release an all green palette. I have been begging for it since long before COVID, before Bloodlust, and it is finally here, you guys. Oh my gosh, it is finally here. It releases November 13th, and I cannot wait to talk about it with you guys, along with it's about time. Like, listen, you guys, we are like long overdue to unbox this bad boy. So if you guys are ready, let's get into it. So should we open the mystery box first, or should we talk about the new palette first? I feel like we should talk about Blood Money first, because a lot of you guys have probably seen what's in the mystery box, although it's been killing me. And I have a surprise for you guys. Yeah, let's wait on that. Okay, I can wait 5 more minutes. All right, so listen, you guys, I am so excited about this Blood Money palette, if you can't already tell, because, I mean, we have seen shades of green and other Jeffree Star palettes, and I just want to go over a few with you guys. In Jawbreaker, there is, of course, the color Sour, because I know a lot of people were commenting on my Instagram post that they just didn't feel like it had enough. But keep in mind, he has done some green shades and some other palettes. Of course, we have the Conspiracy palette here and the Conspiracy color, Illuminati, food videos. I feel like it's going to go so freaking well with this palette, you guys. Oh my gosh. And then, of course, the Put It Back shade. We cannot forget that, which is like a green, emerald green. So I am so excited to get Blood Money and just mash them together with all of this. And you guys are going to laugh at me, but I've literally been holding onto this Velour liquid lipstick. This is the color Mistletoe. Since, what was that, last Christmas when he did his Christmas mystery boxes, because I just knew there was going to be a green palette, and I'm so freaking pumped, you guys. I cannot wait to use this as a liquid liner. Speaking of that, guys, he is dropping new liners. They're called the Automatic Eyeliner. I'm going to put up pictures here for you guys. There's 5 colors initially releasing: Money Counter, Cold Digger, Assets, Armored Truck, and then Resting Rich Face. I see what you did there. I see what you did. Of course, there's going to be a mini green Velour liquid lipstick bundle. That's going to retail for $52. By the way, if I didn't say, the automatic eyeliners are going to be 20 bucks a piece. He's also releasing a new lip balm, which I'm kind of excited for. So it's green, but he says this goes on clear. It smells amazing, which, I mean, most of his lip products normally do. This is in the color Stone, but here's the thing. It's going to be a Jeffree Star Cosmetics exclusive, so you cannot buy it on Beautylish, only Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Now, I don't know if the reason he did that is because it apparently is going to have like cannabis or sativa, you know, oil or something in it. So I don't know if that's like a banned, you know, product or something that Beautylish can even sell. You know what I'm saying? So, or it could just be he just wants people to buy stuff from, you know, his cosmetic site. I don't really know, but that will be, just to let you guys know, a Jeffree Star Cosmetic exclusive. Then, of course, there will be new The Gloss shades, $18 a piece. We have 4 new shades in Peach, Price Tag, Paid in Full, Blood Money, and then Untouchable. 2 new Extreme Frost shades. Oh, you guys, these are gorgeous. Now, I will not be picking up any of those, but they are absolutely gorgeous. I just cannot justify $50 for a highlighter. Like, I bought one of his highlighters one time. I think it was with the Bloodlust collection. I can't even remember. But I ended up reselling it, like, as soon as I got it, because I felt so dirty. You know what I mean? I just felt dirty. But yeah, there's 2 new Extreme Frost shades in the color Stripper Magic and then Cold Hard Cash. They do look absolutely stunning. I can't justify it having kids. Like, it's hard enough trying to get together $52 for one of his palettes. So, and then of course, there's going to be new mirrors, fashion accessories, merch, the whole 9 yards. I am living for the green tie-dye hoodie. I want it so bad. But again, I just don't know if I can bring myself to spend $45 on a hoodie, but I love it. I will say, at least it's not like an $85 Teddy Fresh hoodie, because that literally made me choke on my food when I saw that the Teddy Fresh hoodies were $85. Hence, you see my little $10 Shein knockoff here. Yeah, but I don't know if I'm gonna find a green tie-dye knockoff Jeffree Star hoodie, but yeah. So anybody looking for Christmas ideas, wink wink, There you go. All right. So you guys, I am so excited. Let me know down below, how are you feeling about this collection? Now, I did see on my Instagram when I posted about it, a few people were like, I don't know if I'm feeling it. So here's the thing that I have to tell you. Keep in mind that, as I've told you guys a million times before, colors show up differently on camera and on video than they do in real life. And that's something that I have definitely learned the hard way having my channel. So keep that in mind when you are looking at pictures, when you are looking at video. It may not pop as much as you want right now, but then you may get it in real life. So not trying to sell you on anything. I'm just letting you know it's just happened too many times to me. And I mean, these swatches look stunning, you guys. The other thing that I did not think about, and somebody had brought up to my attention on the Instagram page, and that was the fact that, because I was kind of like, man, why is there so many khaki shades, you know, because there's a lot of khaki shades. I would have really liked to seen some more yellows to kind of complement the greens, but as somebody mentioned, if you have green eyes, you're not going to want like these emerald green shades, like, because it's not really going to complement your eyes. You would think that they would, and I guess it depends on the shade of green that your eye is. But yeah, if you have those khaki shades, they're going to be really complimentary to somebody that has green eyes. So I didn't even think about that. Somebody brought it up in my Instagram and I was like, oh yeah, that makes sense. All right, you guys, so let me move this stuff out of the way. Let's get into this mystery box because I have been dying to open it, you all. All right. Shh, shh, shh. It's okay. It's okay. We're going to open you soon. I promise. No, I'm just kidding. All right, you guys, so if you're ready, I am stoked. I have been waiting far too long. I know it's after Halloween. I did have a friend kind of spoil a couple items to me, but she also said that some of the items in everybody's boxes were different. So hopefully that is the case. And oh yes. Okay, so I did see about and hear about this on Instagram, and I can't even tell you guys how happy I am to finally receive a Jeffree Star t-shirt, because I'm not even joking, you all. I have literally tried every mystery box and somehow I get the box opposite of the shirt. And guess who's wearing this to bed tonight? Like, I don't even care, again, that Halloween is over with. Yeah, I will be sleeping in this until next Halloween, and then I'll wear it on Halloween. So we got paper, we got more paper. And so I think there was 2 Jeffree Star exclusive items in this box. I think the shirt was one, and this is number 2 right here, which kind of looks like, oh, okay, so it says lip balm. I was gonna say, I thought he just discontinued his lip ammunitions, like maybe did he put the last couple of ones in the box, but no, this is lip balm, and it is in the color Widow, which, it sounds like a black color. Oh, it is a black color. It is a black color. I will say though, this packaging, I mean, you guys, like, it actually, is this metal? Yeah, this feels metal. That is crazy. I wonder how much that cost him to make right there. Like, that could not be cheap. All right, so now I'm like really curious. Is this gonna show up black? Okay, now that my lips are nice and red and exfoliated from wiping off my lip gloss, I really wanna see if this is in fact gonna tint my lips black. Let's see. Ooh, there is a little bit of a black tint. Holy cow, really, Jeffree? Yeah, there's a little bit of a black tint there, you guys. It literally looks like I just got done sucking on a black piece of licorice. Like, no joke. I don't know if that's a cute look or not. It's weird. It almost kind of vibes a little bit with this eye look because I got like those dark purple colors and that blue shift. We're going to leave it on temporarily. I will say the lip balm does feel very nice on my lips, but I'm kind of a little curious why it doesn't have a smell, because normally his lip balms have some kind of a smell. Like all of his lip products smell amazing, so I wonder why this one has no smell. Maybe he just kind of rushed it, you know, getting it out. I don't know. All right, let's move on to the next product here. We have a Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Lip Scrub, and this is in the flavor Watermelon Gum. Oh, thank you goodness. Because last year I got like, I don't know, what was it? It was like avocado mint or something crazy like that. I think I ended up giving it to my daughter. Ooh, but I love that packaging. Yeah, I will be keeping this one. Let's see there. I don't like watermelon. I really don't like watermelon. But I can handle that. It's a lot better than avocado mint, I have to say. And I do like his Velour liquid lips, or Velour lip scrubs, and the packaging. I mean, just the packaging alone. We're gonna set it there and keep it for the bag. You guys, we were just talking about this. Hello, Extreme Frosty. You belonged in my life. You belonged in my life. Ooh. Ooh, so what color is this? This is in the color Gag Me. So this is the one with the blue shift in it. Apparently, you belonged in my life, honey. Oh, yes. Yes, baby. I'm so excited. If you guys can't tell, that right there. Okay, so now, hold on. Let's just, oh yeah, that's what we needed right there. I mean, do you see that versus that? That versus that. Now we gotta make a match. Okay, that makes me so happy on so many levels. I can't even tell you guys. All right, moving right along. What else do we got here? It looks like we have one of his Velour lip liners. Am I right in saying that? I think I am. And I can't get it out. Okay, we're just gonna rip that out of there. Ooh, this is in a pretty color, Calabasas. I think the only other one that I have, ooh, yeah, okay, so that's a red right there. Definitely very Halloween-esque. I think the other one that I have is in Anna Nicole. Hang on just a minute. Oh, yeah. So there you have Anna Nicole, and there you have Calabasas. So, yes. And, of course, if you didn't know, Calabasas is, you know, where Jeffree Star was at. All right, what else do we have here? It looks like a Velour liquid lipstick in the color Thirst Trap, which I can't remember what color. Ooh, so yeah, this is a really pretty light pink right here. So let's go ahead and do a little swatchy swatch of that. Ooh, it almost goes on so kind of like a sheer pink. You can kind of sheer it out. And then let's see what it looks like when you build it up. Well, screw it. Let's see if it covers this black licorice. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. There we go. So that's what Thirst Trap looks like over top of Widow. All right. So let's move right along here. We have another The Gloss, which very much so excites me because if you can't already tell, like I'm actually... like it's down to here, you guys. It's disgusting. I love his glosses so much. If you haven't tried it yet, I just sent one to my girlfriend for her birthday, even though it was kind of late. I'm not gonna lie, you guys. I sent it late, okay? I sent it late. I'm a bad friend, but she loves it. I knew she would because it is such an amazing formula. And this looks like it's kind of a white gloss. What is this? Legends Only. All right, all right. Let's check out what we got going on here. Oh, so that's weird. It looks kind of white in the tube. But I don't know if you guys can even see that because it's like clear. See that? It says very clear. Very, very clear. Let's see. Yeah. It's got like a little bit of a white tint to it, but I mean, or a lighter tint, like a tan tint, but yeah, it's pretty clear. It looks like I just got done doing some really, you know what I mean? All right, let's move on here. Okay. So I know this is the thing that was kind of spoiled to me, but I know it's not that. So I heard that some people got the Bloodlust palette. This is not the Bloodlust palette. I can honestly tell that this is not the Bloodlust palette. So what is it? This is the one that I don't have, you guys. Oh my God. Thank you. Thank you. I was so scared. I was so scared that this was going to be the blue one because I'm not even joking, you guys. I've gotten the blue one 3 times. I gave it away twice. I kept it the 3rd time. This is the only one that I didn't have. This is the only one I didn't have out of the blood, sugar, blood collection of Jeffree Star. This is the only one. This is the one I just kept putting off getting it. And then it was like sold out. And oh, yes. I'm so happy. I can't even tell you guys, if you can't already tell, how happy that I am that I finally have this in my collection now. This just makes me, I love reds. I don't know why. And then it's not even just the reds. It's the colors like sugarcane, cake mix, intravenous. There's just so many. There's some of these pinks and peaches. And it just, like, I mean, there's a reason that this palette was as popular as it was. And I can't even tell you how happy happy I am that I finally have this in my collection. I don't even want to, like, I've got to use it. I've got to use it, but I kind of don't want to. All right, let's talk about your all's little surprise that I have planned for you guys, because I am super excited about it, and we're going to be doing something very, very different, and I'm kind of excited about it. So I just paused filming for a second so that I could kind of wipe the swatches off the back of my hand, which some of them didn't even come off, and I took a look at myself in the mirror, and I was like, I kind of look like a frosted cupcake right now, I'm just saying. But I'm living for it. I'm absolutely living for it. All right, so let's talk about your all's little fun little treat or giveaway that I'm doing for you guys. As you all know, I don't ever announce these in my title because we don't do these to gain subscribers. If you want to subscribe because of the giveaway, that's great, but that's not why we do these. We do these for my loyal subscribers. For those of you guys that see it through, have been with me since the beginning, I love you guys so much, or have been with me since the middle, or been with me since just yesterday. Either way, I love giving back to you guys because you really do make all of this possible and you mean the world to me. So for this giveaway, I wanted to do something a little bit differently. I want to do a mystery box of my own, so to speak, because I don't want to like just pick a bunch of products that wouldn't work for anybody, you know what I mean, and put them in a giveaway and say, oh, here you go, if you want these, join. I want to do a mystery giveaway. So there's going to be at least 5 products or more. There will definitely be a palette in there. I already have a palette picked out. However, I want to tailor the rest of the products according to who wins. So if somebody has more, you know, darker brows or lighter brows or a lighter skin tone or a darker skin tone, you know, certain things are going to look better on certain people versus others and vice versa. So I really want to tailor this giveaway to whoever wins. And I thought that would be really fun and really cool. And you kind of get to win your own little mystery box of sorts from me. So to enter the mystery box giveaway, of course, you have to be subscribed because again, this is for my loyal subscribers. I love you guys. All right, so be subscribed. And then you have to like this video. And then I want you to comment down below. Let's say that you had an infinite number of money. Let's say money was not an object to you and you could buy whatever you want. Is there something in this Blood Money collection that you really have your eyes on? Like, what would you want? Like, if you were purchasing something from this collection, what would you really want to get your hands on? Or what would you purchase? Is there multiple things that you would purchase? Would you purchase the whole entire collection? Let me know down below in the comment section. What do you have your eye on? Or again, let's just say, pretend you have an infinite amount of money and you don't have to stress about it. What would you purchase if you did have that situation? Because I'm really curious to see what you guys would pick up. All right, so again, that is all you got to do to enter. Let's do this giveaway for 2 weeks. So we're going to end it Saturday, November 21st, because I want to get this out before Thanksgiving. So again, be subscribed, like this video, comment down below, what would you get if you could get something, or you are planning on getting something, what would you get from the Blood Money Jeffree Star collection? I'm really excited and kind of curious to hear your all's comments and opinions on this, because yeah, I don't know what I want to get yet. I definitely got to get the palette. I don't know about the lip balm because, I mean, oh man, I don't know, you guys. Let me know your thoughts. I'm definitely curious to hear them. All right, that's all I have for you guys today. And until next time, see ya.